It's time for a summer hairstyle. So the weather is good here today in the UK. Yesterday I got a trim and I was like, I haven't uploaded in quite a long time because I've been so busy with this new business that I started. It's doing really well, so it took a lot of the time out of my day instead of making a lot of YouTube videos. But I was like, today's a good day. Let me actually make a summer hairstyle tutorial. So yeah, the first product I want to use has to be a sea salt spray. It's pretty much the best pre-styling product you can have. So let me start by using it. Alright, there we go. And by the way guys, give me some video suggestions because like I used to obviously upload every single day, but now I'm just so busy and it's physically impossible for me to upload every single day. But I do want to upload high quality videos that can generally help you guys out. So definitely let me know what kind of videos you want to see. I do have 3 trips that are upcoming. So one of them is actually a work trip, but I'll still vlog it because I think it'll be very interesting and insightful for a lot of you guys just to learn quite a lot, because there'll be interesting people there. So I mean, you never know where you can learn from like a vlog. But yeah, other than that, just let me know what kind of vids you want to see. Do you want me to make more lifestyle vids, more hair tutorials, more lifestyle? I mean, I think I already said lifestyle. Or maybe even anything else related to like how-to videos, talking about emotions, self-development. Yeah, just let me know. But yeah, in terms of like my hairstyle, obviously after using a sea salt spray, these days I just like to use a pomade. A paste also works really well, but with the summer I just personally prefer to use a pomade. So let me put in my hair. There we go. And as you can see, my hair looks extremely healthy, and that's because I let my hair breathe quite a lot. A lot of times people put too much product in the hair, but in my opinion less is more, because literally not every day is a day where I use a lot of product. I do use quite a lot of sea salt spray, but when it comes to the sea salt spray from Organic Potion, this one is really good because as you can see, it says organic sea salt spray brewed with dead sea salt, aloe vera and jojoba oil. It has a coconut fragrance and it's 100% organic, and that's literally what you want. But yeah, besides that, make sure the products you use are good for your hair. And when it comes to this one from Forte series, this one has a lot of amazing ingredients in there that aren't particularly harmful for your hair. And this way you can make sure that even though if you use the products quite a lot, your hair will still stay intact. But yeah, as you guys can already see now, so let me make sure it's focused. There we go. My hairstyle is already pretty much on point. I've only used 2 products. So I've used the sea salt spray and I've used the Forte series pomade, and this way I already got like an amazing summer hairstyle. And even though I haven't used a lot of the products, it will still stay like this. It will look quite natural, and that's literally what you want. But yeah, that's pretty much it when it comes to this summer hairstyle video. If you guys have any sort of suggestions or any sort of questions, definitely let me know in the comment section down below. And hey, if you want me to make certain specific types of videos that will really help you guys out, I don't mind. Like, I'm very open-minded. Just let me know. I'm quite busy these days, but I do want to make high quality videos that will generally help you guys out. And that's pretty much the end of this video. So thank you so much for watching. I genuinely appreciate your time, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.